Good morning, children. So, we have almost done with the third chapter, how the state government works. In this, all the things we have discussed, right from the the story of the two girls, then who is an MLA, what are the constituencies, how some parties are winning the elections with majority, and the opposition um, MLAs are called as the opposition MLAs are also there in the legislative assembly. We have seen the example of Himachal Pradesh. Then we have also tried to understand that how the debate in the legislative assembly goes on. All the MLAs expresses their views and their issues to the in the legislative assembly. Then we have also seen that working of the government, that how the government works. In this, we have seen that the government takes the decision in the legislative assembly and then they implement it. We have seen one example of a newspaper, that how the government understand the real reason behind why the people were getting sick due to diarrhea. And in this way, we have seen the protest, what is protest of the people, and we were left with a wallpaper project. So today here we are going to see a small wallpaper project, how it was done by the people, or how it can be done, that we will see. And then after this we will see the question and answers of this chapter. So a wallpaper project. A wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on particular topics or of interest. The following photographs explain the different aspects involved in creating a wallpaper in classroom. So, a wallpaper is a very interesting activity through which the children or the research children can do the research, and they can be done on a particular topics of interest. So whatever the interest you have on any of the issue related to your interest, you can do the make the wallpapers accordingly. uh, Even you can use those wallpaper for pasting into the classroom and all that. How it is useful, that we are going to understand in the next illustration. So, after introducing the topic and having a brief discussion with the whole class, the teacher divides the class into groups. The group discusses the issue and decides what it would like to include in the wallpaper. Children then work individually or in pairs to read the collected material and write their observations or experiences. They can do this through creating stories, poems, case studies, interviews, etc. The groups looks at the material that they have selected, drawn or written. They read each other's writing and provide feedback to each other. They make decisions on what should be included and finalize the layout for the wallpaper. So here is one example is given, that how all the children are working together and how they take the each other's decisions or each other's suggestions they are taking, or how they are able to work together in the form of a team to make the wallpaper of the for the classroom. And they are some of the children are making the poems, some of the children are making the stories, case studies or interviews also they are writing. So with the help of this all, what actually we are understanding, that when all the people work togetherly, then it makes a difference. So in this way, they make decisions on what should be included and finalize the layout for the wallpaper. So here it is an example how the people in the assembly also work together on a particular issue. So I hope that you are trying to understand it. And the next part is what that we are also going to understand. Each group then presents the wallpaper to the entire class. It is important that more than one member of the group is asked to present and that each group is allotted the same amount of time to discuss their work. After each group has presented, it would be a good idea to have a feedback session on the following: what more could they do on their own? How could they work or organize better? How could writing and presentation be improved upon? Uh, so this wallpaper about the 2006 dengue epidemic was prepared by children of class 6 of Kendriya Vidyalaya, second Hindu, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. So actually, in this way, the children have tried to explain their views, their thinking about that epidemic of dengue in 2006. So actually, here two things are there. One thing is what is teamwork, and the second thing, that how we can work together, or how in the assembly MLAs are working together for the dealing with any issue related with the state or the country. So still here our topic was there. In the next part of the class we are going to understand the question and answers. Thank you very much.